Hello everyone. Today I will show you a new site I found few days ago. It's called Faucet Crypto. Every 30 minutes you can claim a free crypto and get coins. There is a few things you can check here. You can watch some links to gain some coins, also achievements for every level you get. Okay, not every, but when you reach level 10 you get some coins, and then level 25 and then 50. So it's easy to earn some levels, so check it out, it's free. Also you can watch some ads to earn more. It's very easy to exchange your coins here, and also if you invite your friends you will get 25% of their referral commission. So it's very easy to earn here. So as you can see, those guys not playing around, they are very big levels and earning much more coins. So I will leave links in description. First link, make sure you subscribe if you want more, and good luck.